Every year, millions of home appliances are thrown away because of simple, fixable problems. This creates billions of dollars in unnecessary spending and a growing mountain of global e-waste. What if you had a personal technician in your home, instantly available, visually aware, and able to guide step by step? This is FixVision AI, a multimodal repair assistant powered by Gemini 3 Pro. Beyond simple instructions, it performs structural understanding, visual grounding, stepwise reasoning, and real-time teaching.
FixVision goes beyond pixel recognition. It quantifies mechanical failure vectors. Video, audio, and text are instantly fused into a structured scene graph.
Okay, we are at my fridge, but the problem is the light seems to be on, but it's not cooling. So drinks are not drinkable and things are not edible.
A dynamic state vector that disaggregates symptoms into three core engineering domains: electrical, thermal, and mechanical. Light on is not an illumination. It's the electrical state vector. Power, okay. Softening food is the thermal state vector. Inadequate heat exchange? And the lack of sound or airflow is the quantified mechanical failure.
Safety first. It won't take the first step until it ensures you're safe. FixVision AI begins by observing the problem exactly as you experience it, through your camera, your surroundings, and the signals your device gives off.
Visual contact confirmed. Proceeding to step 1. Remove the 4 hex screws securing the rear lower access panel.
Okay, I took the first screw out.
Remember to keep the screws safe so you can reinstall them later.
In the AI reasoning stage, the system executes its causal physics engine. With power confirmed, the diagnostic skips initial electrical checks and proceeds straight to the most expensive component. Is the compressor active? The no silent output immediately branches the logic tree away from refrigerant leaks and toward a definitive electrical failure in the starter
That's
system.
great. I see the panel is loose. We've completed step 1.
FixVision doesn't just diagnose. It watches every step
Do not put the calculator in your mouth.
and protects every step. FixVision AI, powered by Gemini Pro 3, replaces costly replacements with guided repairs, protecting wallets and the planet.